So hello my dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about the properties of division of the integers. Okay, in last class you already know about the division of integers, okay, and how done the operation of the division of integers. Now we have to discuss about the properties. Okay, see here, this is first property, commutative property. Okay, you already know about the commutative property for whole numbers. Okay, you already studied it. So the commutative property of whole number does not exist. Okay, you already know that. See here, so 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3 divided by 9. It is not equals to each other. Why? Because 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 divided by 9 is, okay, is 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9, so 0.30, okay, so 0.333, okay, so like that. So that's why the commutative property for division or the division of commutative property for whole numbers does not exist. But now I have to check here, is it commutative property is exist in integers? Let's check. Okay, see here, 9 divided by minus 3 is equals to minus 3 divided by 9. So 9 divided by minus 3 is minus 3, because plus divided by minus minus, and 3 3 are 9. So is equals to minus divided by plus minus, then 3 divided by 9. See here, 3 divided by 9 is equal to 0.333. 0.333. Okay. So minus 3 is not equals to 0.333. Is it right? So that's why it is not equals to each other. Okay. So no commutative properties exist in the division of integers. Okay. Next, take another one example. Okay. So 20 divided by minus 5 is also not equal to minus 5 divided by 20. Okay, see here, which is commutative property for division. A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Okay, it is not equal to each other. Okay, so do you understood? The division is not for the commutative property for integers. Next, see here, the next property, 0 divided by an integer, then the 0 is equals to 0. Right? So see here, take one example, 0 divided by any integer. Okay, and any integer other than 0 is equals to 0. Which means here, take any integer, consider A is any integer divided by 0. Divided by 0 is equals to 0. And A is not equals to 0. Okay, this is condition. A is not equals to 0 and A is any integer. It may be plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, so on. Okay, but it is not equal to 0, and any integer is divided by 0 is equals to 0. Okay, use always an 0. Is it right? Next here, when we divide a whole number by 1, when we divide a whole number by 1, okay, take one example, 9 is our whole number, divided by 1, it gives again 9 only. Okay, so take another one example, 3 divided by 1, it gives again 3. Next, take A is any whole number, A divided by 1, it is again gives A. Is it right? Or you have to write that. So 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, A divided by 1 is equal to A. Is it right? This is in whole number. Okay, so now we have to check. Okay, it gives the same whole number. Let us check whether it is true for negative integer. Whether it is true for negative integer, let's check. Minus 1 divided by 1 is equals to, next 9, minus 9 divided by 1 is equal to, and minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to, and minus 8 divided by 1 is equals to. Okay, so now let's check here. Plus divided by minus. Plus divided by minus, minus, then 1 ones are 1. Plus divided by minus, minus, then 9 ones are 9. Plus divided by minus, minus, then 3 ones are 3. Minus divided by plus, minus, then minus 1. Okay, minus 1 divided by 1 is, sorry, minus 8 divided by 1 is minus 8. So see here, these first term again we get same term, minus 1, minus 1, minus 9, minus 9, minus 3, minus 3, and minus 8, minus 8. Is it right? So these whole number statement, it is also, it is same as to negative integers also. Okay, so we can say that the any integer is divided by 1, it gives same integer. Okay, so let's take here, a is any integer. Okay, a is any integer, so a divided by 1 is equal to, we give a also. Okay, so a take as any integer. This is our general form. Okay. Now the remaining two properties now we have to study. Okay, so please note down this first. So here this is next property. Okay, so any integer divided by 1. If any integer is divided by 1, it is gives the same integer or not. Okay, so let us check here first. See, so 8 is an integer divided by minus 1 is equal to plus divided by minus, minus, then 8 divided by 1, 8. So see here, this is our integer plus 8. Okay, and our answer is minus 8. So we can say that if any integer is divided by 1, it does not give the same integer. Is it right? It does not give the same integer. Next, here take another one example. Minus 9 divided by minus 1 is equals to minus divided by minus plus, then 9 divided by 1, 9. See here, our first integer is minus 9 and our answer is plus 9. Okay, so we can say that here, if any integer divided by minus 1, it does not give the same integer. It does not give the same integer. Okay, so we can say that. But if any integer divided by plus 1, it gives a same integer. Okay, so please remember these two properties. Next, now move towards the associative property. Associative property. So what is the general form of associative property? Okay, the division of associative property for whole number you also already studied that. Okay, see here, a divided by b divided by c is equals to a divided by b divided by c. Is it right? Next, now let us check this associative property. Okay, so take a is equal to 2 divided by b is equal to minus 2 divided by, okay, b is equal to minus 2 divided by c is equal to plus 4, bracket complete, t is equals to, in the bracket a is equal to 2 divided by, in the bracket b is equal to minus 2, is it right? So minus 2 take here, next divided by c is equal to 4, so right here 4. Now we have to simplify this commutative property, okay. Next here 2 divided by, first we have to solve bracket, okay. Next in the bracket minus divided by plus minus, then 2 divided by 4, it is right, 2 divided by 4, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 1 divided by 4, right here 1 divided by 2, okay, 1 divided by 2 is equals to in the bracket, okay, in the bracket, this bracket will cancel. First we have to solve this bracket, is equals to 2 plus 2 divided by minus 2. So plus divided by minus, then 2 divided by 2, 1, and divided by 4, right, as it is. Right. Next 2 divided by 1 divided by 2. 2 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. It means here plus divided by minus. Okay. Next, see here. So 2 divided by 1 divided by 2 it is. Okay. So now it is inverse. So 2 divided by 1. Okay. So it becomes now 2 divided by 1. Then 2 2s are 4. And minus 2 divided by plus divided by minus, and 2 2s are 4 now here. Okay, 4 is equals to, now see here, minus 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is minus 1 divided by 4. So minus 4 is not equals to minus 1 divided by 4. Is it right? So therefore, the division of associative property is not exist for integers. Okay, is not exist for integers. So the division of associative property is not for integers and whole numbers also. Okay, in division of associative property it does not exist for whole number also. Okay, so now see here and note down this here. So now move towards the next, have to solve some examples on the concept of this property. Okay, so please note down this and now we shall start.